You want to eat me?
Eat your brain because I'm warm body. I'm a zombie to the Busan.
Oh shit! But I am very hungry. I am gonna eat you completely.
Okay, you wanna eat me? I will eat you first.
Oh shit! I am very hungry right now.
Is that only filter that you have?
Not
Don't
really.
you have another filter? It's very. It's not. That's not that.
You
Right.
look like
Skip me. Skip me. Skip me.
you look like so ugly.
Yeah.
Your teeth
You
is not
too.
good. You are very ugly.
You too, bad boy.
I am looking good. Everybody say to me that I am looking good.
Yeah.
But you are ugly and little bit mad.
Not a little bit. You're full mad.
You are little bit not. You are completely crazy.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I think who will marry you and he will become crazy as well.
I already married and I have children.
Damn! Oh shit! So you look like a mom? My baby's mom?
At least show me your jump scare. Show me your jump scare. Can I
What?
not do a jump scare or something like that? It's boring. You're boring.
You boring too. You very much boring. You boring better than mine.
Skip me.
I want to escape because I don't want to talk with you because you are so ugly.
Skip me.
I will escape you. It's right now. Do you know why?
Why?
You become tired.
A few moments later.
You become completely tired because you are mad. Do you know that? Are you sleep? Are you sleepy?